Hey everyone, how's it going? So what am I working on now? Actually, nothing. I am about to cut the grass. There was really nothing today at work that I could make a video on, so unfortunately, didn't wind up doing anything like that. But we had a situation, and I know you guys, especially those of you that are mechanics or have been in the mechanic field before, you've run into this, and I know you have. Ever since you know what I'm talking about. Ever since you plugged my tire, my left turn signal doesn't work. Ever since you changed my oil, my air conditioning doesn't work. I mean, I've heard a million of them. I really have. Um, I have had somebody come in. Ever since you plugged my tire, my air conditioning doesn't work. Okay. I've had what was the other one? I've had different ones like ever. What the heck was the other? I had another good one. Now I can't think of it. The best one I ever had. I'll tell you that one. How's that? The best one. It's not that I ever had. We had it at the dealership. One of the other techs there did a tune-up on a Dodge Durango, and I have people that can back this one up. I am not making this up. Does a tune-up on a Dodge Durango. This was an older Durango with like a 5.2 or a 5.9, like the first generation, whatever those were. So he did the tune-up. He did like, the cap rotor wires, plugs, the whole 9 yards. Does the tune-up, takes it for a ride, everything's great. The customer comes in the next day, fuming. Okay, this is not a joke what I'm about to tell you. And they said, ever since you tuned up my Durango, my Honda won't start. Like I said, I have people that can back this one up. Kate, who helps me with the channel, she could back it up because she was at the dealer at the time. But yeah, I've had stuff like that. I had another one. The one I was thinking of, I used to have a customer. I used to work on her car all the time at the dealer. And she was just a pain in the butt, an absolute pain in the butt. I remember every time he did something to her car, every time without fail, she would immediately come back complaining of something that we messed up. Every time. Didn't matter what. I put front struts in her. She had a Dodge Grand Caravan, probably like a 94, 95-ish body style, just before they went to the Jelly Bean body. So it's like 94, 95. I put front struts in it, did the wheel alignment, everything else, took her for a ride, everything was fine. She comes back in, like she takes it up the street, turns around, comes right back, comes back in screaming that I broke her radio. It doesn't work now. The service manager, he just kind of like shakes his head, gets up out of his chair, walks up to her, says, "May I have your keys?" She hands him her keys. He walks out to her caravan with her standing right there. He starts it up and he reaches over and he goes like this and turns the volume up on the radio. And then she's just like, "Well, who turned it down?" Well, I turn down radios all the time whenever I get into a car. Whenever I got to do work, I constantly turn down a radio. I hate having radios on. I want to hear the car, especially on a road test, so I don't want to hear the radio. But she was notorious. Oh, another time too, she came in and she complained that I broke her seat because I had adjusted her seat back. I didn't break her seat. She just didn't know how to put her seat forward. Same customer. There was a bunch of them with her. She was ridiculous. But anyway, what I'm getting at is, ever since yous, what have you guys experienced with that? Like, give me some of your ever since yous. I'd love to hear about it. And maybe I'll compile them all into a longer video. But yeah, ever since you. Let me know which ones you guys have had. All right, guys, have a great day. Keep wrenching.